How to update Facebook account to newest version. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to update your Facebook application or your Facebook account to the newest version. So the very first thing that you want to do is to go ahead into Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded Facebook app, and then in here type in Facebook. Now this is one way of updating your Facebook application. However, if the update button is not visible here and your Facebook app is still showing the old version, what you want to have to do is to use your web browser and then simply type in Facebook new version APK, choose on the first link, and then download this newest version of Facebook right here. And that's how you update a Facebook account to newest version.